In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change screen settings on iPhone. We will walk through the main display options step by step so your screen is easier on your eyes and fits how you like to use your phone. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Look for the gray gear icon on your home screen or in your app library. When Settings opens, you will see a long list of options like Wi-Fi, notifications, and general running down the screen. Now tap Display and Brightness. It is usually near the top part of the list. Once you tap it, the screen changes and you will see previews at the top for light and dark, plus several sliders and switches underneath. From here, you can change the brightness. Use the brightness slider that runs from left to right. Drag it left to make the screen dimmer, or right to make it brighter. As you move it, the screen changes instantly, so you can pause for a second and see what level feels comfortable for your eyes in your current lighting. Next up, choose between light mode and dark mode. In the same display and brightness screen, you will see two appearance options with little phone previews labeled light and dark. Tap light for a bright background with dark text, or tap dark for a dark background with light text. The interface updates straight away across apps that support it, so you might see the settings background switch colors as soon as you tap. After that, take a look at the True Tone option. You will see a switch labeled True Tone under the brightness slider. When you turn it on, the screen color and intensity adjust automatically based on the lighting in your room. If you stand near a window, you may notice the whites look slightly warmer, and under cooler lights they look more neutral. Now, check the night shift settings. Tap night shift in this same area if it appears. This feature makes the screen colors warmer during the evening hours to reduce blue light. Once you adjust night shift, at night your screen will have a softer amber tone instead of a cool blue tone, which many people find gentler before sleep. At this point, look for Auto Lock on the display and brightness page. Tap Auto Lock to choose how long your iPhone waits before it locks itself when you stop touching the screen. You will see several timing options in minutes, plus a never option. When you pick one, it applies as soon as you leave this screen, so next time you set the phone down, it will follow that timing. If your iPhone supports it, you can also adjust Always On Display under Display and Brightness. This setting controls whether a dim version of your lock screen stays visible when the phone is locked. When you change this, you will notice the lock screen either stays faintly lit or goes fully black when the phone goes to sleep. To change text size, stay in Settings and go again to Display and Brightness, then tap Text Size. Now you will see a simpler screen with a single slider labeled Text Size. Move the slider to the right to make the text larger, or to the left to make it smaller. Many system apps update the text size instantly, so you can swipe up to peek at another app, then return if you need to fine-tune it. On this same text size page, you can also turn on bold text. Toggle the bold text switch. When bold text is enabled, letters throughout the system become thicker and easier to read, especially in menus and notifications. Some older phones may quickly refresh the screen when you turn it on. For even more text and visibility options, go back to the main settings list, then tap Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. You will see a long list, including larger text, bold text, increase contrast, color filters, and reduce white point. Larger text here lets you push the text size even bigger than the normal text size screen, which is helpful if you hold the phone farther away. Color filters can help if you are colorblind, and reduce white point lowers the intensity of bright areas, which can make white backgrounds less glaring. Finally, to make everything on the screen larger, return to Settings, then tap Display and Brightness again, then tap Display Zoom. Choose larger text, then tap Done in the top right, and then tap Use Zoomed. Your iPhone will briefly reload the home screen, and when it comes back, icons, text, and many interface elements appear larger and easier to tap. You have now customized brightness, appearance, text, and zoom so your iPhone screen is tuned to your eyes and your habits. If this helped you get a more comfortable display, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple iPhone tips.